In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sort your data using your Google Sheets mobile app. So I have my example data right here, and what I want to do is to actually sort my date, which is my first column right here. So to sort that data, I can actually do that in two ways. The first way would be to select that entire range or that entire column, and we can do that by just tapping on the letter at the top. So that's my column A right here, tap on it, and here we have it. So we've successfully selected the entire column, and the next step would be to just tap on that selected range until you see these options. Now, we don't see our sort option yet, so we're going to go to our ellipses at the right, tap on that, and here we have them. So we have our sort A to Z option and our sort Z to A option. So two options right here that we can select from are ascending order and descending order. So whichever you want to choose, just tap on it. So I'm going to sort this from A to Z in ascending order, and there you have it. So when I sorted that first column, my entire range has also been rearranged depending on which data corresponds to each row. So of course that will be relevant because we don't want to rearrange our data just with the date, but of course with our entire data. There you have it. Now, another way to do this would be to, again, select that range, then go to the ellipsis here at the top right corner and select Create a Filter. So now we've successfully created a filter on that column. And what I'm going to do is to tap on the filter, and here are options. We have our sort and filter. So we're not really going to filter our data. We're just going to sort it again in the same manner, ascending order and descending order. So I'm just going to proceed to sort this in descending order this time, Z to A. If I tap on that, there we have it. So now we've completely sorted our data, and that's how you're going to do it in two methods here in the Google Sheets mobile app. Tap on the check mark, and there you have it. That's how you can sort your data in two methods using your Google Sheets mobile app. Now, if you're interested in learning more on how to use the Google Sheets mobile app, I have a full playlist that I'll be leaving a card to at the top right corner for you to click. And if you're still in need of extra help with Sheets, I also have a free guide linked in the description below that you should definitely check out. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.